I think what really brings out the emotion in the painting is the energy. How you create your energy in your stroke and just what you see. And, you know, like for me, just starting to do these little wisps and things like that, for me, that's what's coming out. That's the energy of the design. I know it didn't come out just like it, what I said earlier, but, you know, it's one of those things, bro. I've known my boy for a long time. Done a lot of work for this man. A lot of tattooing. And now, we're gonna bless him with an awesome painting. Yeah, so my name is South Bay Mike. And this painting is for the one and only Rey Mysterio, WWE wrestler. We know Rey from junior high. A little bit. It's in the right places. There we go. Hopefully I didn't get that on my rig. I did, huh? Yeah. Painted my car too. 23, 25, because I started in 23. Actually, I started this even before that. I started right after my motorcycle accident. I actually painted this because I had just gotten in an accident, broke my sternum, and I was like, dude, I need to heal, man. And so I started painting 2 big paintings. One was for Rey, and one was for my tattoo studio. So, here it is. I think it came out pretty cool, yeah.